Let's face it, marketing a small business or any business in that matter costs a lot of money. But what do you do if you have just started your small business and you do not have any money to market it, or you don't have a lot of money to market it? Well, this video is going to give you 9 methods you can use to market that business without using a lot of money. And these methods are guaranteed to work in any kind of business. So let's go. My name is Dr. Emmanuel Amukun, and I'm the founder of Marvel's Dental Hospital. But before we dive right in, I want to give a shout out to all my viewers who have been encouraging me and saying your videos are so good, but the echo is disturbing our ears. As you have realized, we have already done something about that. So thank you, and keep bringing those comments so that we keep improving these videos. So let's dive right in. Number 9, put up a signpost. Doesn't this seem obvious? But I can assure you, there are people who have started their small business and there is nothing to show that there is a business in that place. You know, the Bible says that there is nobody who lights up a candle and then keeps it under the basket, because that doesn't make any sense. And you do not have to be a Christian or a believer in the Bible to know that the statement makes sense. So tell the world through your signpost that, hey, I'm here and I'm ready for business. Number 8, spread the word. You know how we like spreading gossip? Actually, your business opening up should be hot gossip. Tell whoever cares to listen that you are starting business. Tell all your friends, relatives, and in-laws. You never know where your customers are going to come from. But if you just open the business and keep quiet, my friend, you're not marketing your business. So market that business even just by word of mouth. Number 7, establish an online presence. Well, if you can make a website, well and good. But if you're a small business person, you can use other methods that do not cost a lot of money. Open a Facebook page, open a Google page, take your business to TikTok, to Instagram, and any other medium that you can use, because this will make it easy for those clients who are searching for your service to find you. If they don't find you physically, they find you online, and this will increase your visibility and increases your chances of getting clients easily. Number 6, if you have that little money, then you have to use it profitably. Make some promotional items like t-shirts, flyers, calendars, and anything else that you can afford to make with your small budget. And this will surely help in marketing your business. Number 5, build relationships. Yes, building relationships cannot be overemphasized. You remember the KLT strategy that we talked about? This is where it all starts. As you build relationships, people get to know what you are doing, and they may actually end up becoming your clients. If you missed that video on KLT, please make sure that you check under the description. I've left a link. Make sure you watch that video and get all the details on how you can actually leverage your relationships to improve on your business. Number 5, joint venture. I know this is not very popular in a world where everyone wants to make their own name. Well, making your own name is good, but making money is better. So if you are really good at doing something and you do it better than most people, you will do well to join a bigger or a known company that is good at other things but is not as good in what you are doing as you are. That way, you will make each other a lot of money, because this company already has clients and you have the skill which they don't have. The two of you will be unbeatable. Let me give an example. If you are a person who is good at, say, plumbing or tiling, and you do it better than most people, and there is this construction company that is good at doing everything else, but their tiling or their plumbing is not that good. When your business joins theirs, then the two of you are going to produce excellent works, you are going to retain clients, and then everyone will be smiling straight to the bank. Number 3, content marketing? Well, this is just a fancy word to mean that you should have content which you put out there educating your potential clients or educating the public. So how do you do this? You do this by writing blogs. If you're familiar with blogs, you can write posts on Facebook. You can put posts on Google. If you have a Google My Business account, you can post them there. You could even start a YouTube channel. But your content must not be selling. Many people like to buy, but they don't like being sold to. If you agree with that statement, let me know under the comment section. If you disagree also, let me know why you disagree. But the point is this: make sure that your content is purely educational and you are not selling anything to anybody. So when this content goes out there, it goes with your name and you get known. If you are getting any value from this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Number 2, collaboration. Now, remember we mentioned joint venture earlier. Now, if you do not want to join a venture with another business or another company, you could do collaboration if your businesses are complementary to each other. For example, if I own a nursery school and you own a primary school, we could actually collaborate and say, if the parents who are bringing their children to your primary school have younger children, please recommend my school. Likewise, if those who are bringing children to my nursery school have older children who need to go to primary school, I could recommend your school. And when you are the smaller business or you are the less known one, you could even offer the other person a commission for sending you clients or giving you referrals. If in your line of business that is allowed. In my line of business with a dental clinic, that is not allowed. Actually, generally in medical business, it is not allowed. Because the moment the other person puts word for you and you are even not known, that is good enough to make you known and could actually earn you a client. That is one of the perfect ways you can effectively market without using any money. Number 1, and I guarantee this is one of the most effective ways any person beginning a small business or even a bigger business can actually market without using any money. Here it is. Give out your service or your product for free. I know what you are saying, but first wait, I need some money. Why would I give my service for free, or why should I give out my product for free? Well, you need money. But guess what? Nobody is willing to trust you with their money. Why? Because you are not known. You are a nobody. Nobody knows you. You have just opened up and your business is small. So what you need instead is to build up reputation. You need to build up credentials. You need to build up credibility. You need a portfolio. You need proof. You need results. Why? Nobody argues with results. So by giving out your service or some of your products for free, you are basically saying, hey, here is what I can do. Here is my product. Try it. So when you give out your product or your service for free, you need to ask for 2 things. You need to ask for testimonials, or you can ask for referrals. But you could choose that you're going to shout to the whole world that, hey, I'm the best, this is what I can do, look at my product, it's the best in the world. But guess what? Nobody is going to listen. You need to build your case. And once you build your case, nobody is going to argue, because you simply say, here is what I can do. Here is what I did for so and so, and here is the result. And nobody argues with the results. Or if it is a product, somebody has tested it. If you bake cakes, instead of explaining how nice your cake is, and you just cut a small piece and say, here, taste it. Nobody argues with that. They have tested it. So give out that service or that product for free, and you'd have effectively marketed your business. See you in the next one.